Good day everyone. We are looking at the Bitcoin US dollar 4-hour chart. So from the chart here, we can see that price is trading this resistance range, this resistance and this support here. So now what do we have? We have a descending resistance here. This descending trend line is serving as a resistance here. As you can see from the top here, it used the descending resistance the first time here. It got here the second time, price dropped lower, and so on. So now on getting to this low here, this point we have here, this low. Okay, this is the market structure from up here. We had a high, a low, a lower high here, a lower low, a lower high, and then a lower low, which is here, a lower low. Then we are expecting a lower high. So we are expecting price now to get to this descending resistance at this point to give us a lower high. So now what do we have here? We have a ascending support line here. This is serving as a support towards the descending resistance, and on the support we have a first touch here, which is a low, a high here, a higher low, which is a second touch, a higher high, and then we have a higher low here, which is the third touch. So we have on the support line first touch, second touch, and third touch. And on this third touch, this is where we are anticipating our buy. So now what do we have on this third touch? Let's go down to 1 hour time frame. So on the third touch, on the 1 hour time frame here, this is the third touch. Yeah, we can see that we had a demand zone here, and the price has come back after setting several inducements here. It came back to mitigate this demand zone on this third touch. So it's indicating that the demand is coming into the market. This is a liquidity sweep on all these areas. Price has peaked liquidity on this demand zone, and it's also a trend line touch on the support here. So price is tending to push higher. So when we look closely now, what are we seeing here on the touch? We can see a rejection. We can see dojis to tell that the sellers are slowing down. We can see that the bearish candles are very small on these areas, and then we have a big bullish candle. This is the big bullish candle we have here, indicating that demand is coming into the market. So what do? We just placed a buy order from here now. Place a buy order from here, since we are seeing that demand is coming into the market. Place a buy order from this point here. This is our entry. We'll place the stop loss below this big bullish candle which we have here, and then we target ×2 to the upside. 1:2. Okay, all right, this is the setup. So let's just see how this plays out.